All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with Anso Orso right over here with me on my table. Before I'm starting, I wanna just ask you some little thing to do. Please, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella. Let me know if you like my videos. Let me know if you hate my videos, because I'm doing these videos just for you guys, not for the money. As of now, June 2022, I'm making $150 from YouTube. So this knife is just 10 times that. So just consider that. So I'm not here for the money. I'm here for the enjoyment of sharing my impressions on these knives with you. And just to add to that, YouTube just age restricted some of my videos. So come on, guys, show me some love. Let me know what you guys think about this, because this is, they're kind of ruining this thing and kind of taking away the fun. But I don't care, because I love this stuff. Look at this. Jens Anso of Denmark. Nice business card. A little coaster, if you want to have a beer as you flick this knife open. Yeah. Look at this. Certificate of authenticity. You get some nice wrapping paper, a pretty cool cardboard box. Look at this. Cordura, nylon, whatever this is, felted, padded leather, and guys, this is some serious packaging this knife is coming with. And here you have it. This is a gorgeous one. Let's check out the measurement first. And since today I'm in a mood, I'm gonna go in centimeters. Look at that, 8 centimeters for the blade, almost 11 and 18 and a half for the overall length of this Anso Orso. This is a titanium frame lock made in Denmark. It is fantastic. It's a custom knife, very expensive. This thing is gonna be, $1,400, something in that realm in this configuration. So not properly a cheap one, but it's a very, very nice one. Titanium frame lock. Look at the fine pinstripe milling going on right over here. Look at this detail. That's pretty gorgeous. You have some contoured scales, so there's just not flat slabs of titanium, nicely milled. You have a pretty cool blasted finish on the handle, nice chamfering on the inside. There is no internal skeletonization, but you have a wide chamfer on the inner side, which is very, very cool. Nice 3D milling going on. You have a finger groove over here, and then just another wide and very gentle over there. You got a backspacer configuration right over here, titanium backspacer with the lanyard hole option integrated right over here. This is underlying the centering of the blade, and it's protecting the tip to a point. If you see, the tip is not like fully recessed, so if I'm doing like this, I'm just gonna be able to snag the tip, which doesn't mean that it's unsafe. You see, I can rub this, but like just in the right position, you jam, you need to go for it, you can snag the tip. But I mean, overall, this knife is pretty cool. It reminds me, for example, of a Neon a little bit. What do you guys think about this? There's some resemblances for sure. And since we are here, I'm just going to show you a couple more to show you like the size compared to a Hattie and compared to a Neon. I'm just going to show you a couple of similar blades. Like this is the Utzler Duckling and the Duck. So you kind of have an idea of the size of this, and so I'm just going to show you another couple holds, a Haptic and a Spectre right over here. So to complete the picture of the size of this bad boy, a pretty interesting one. You have a pretty subdued flipper tab as well, with some jimping right over here, which is indicating that this is going to be your preferred method. I mean, No, there's no push button operation going on in this one. You have a simple construction, a pivot, and three body screws. If you notice, the body screws are screwed in right into the titanium frame, but the screws are chamfered on the showing part. This screw here, which hides right there, is not chamfered at the end. So when you take this guy apart, make sure you put them in the right position, and you're gonna be happy. It's very simple construction, simple to disassemble and clean up. You got the stainless steel lock face insert with showing screw and over travel lock bar stabilizer integrated into the insert. That is a pretty cool method to avoid overextending the lock bar in that direction. Lockup is safe, 25% I'd say. You got a pretty cool black Timascus accent for the clip, for the pivot collars on both sides. Very nicely done, in and out of the pocket. It's cool. It has a very good tension going on over here. It's nicely designed, looks amazing. It is not reversible, and it's tip-up carry only and not deep carry. This much is going to be showing up. And then you get this RWL 34 steel hand-rubbed satin blade, which is something spectacular. There's no jimping, no chamfering, no crowning on the spine of the blade. You got this very cool symmetric grind. Amazing, clean. Look at this, Anso signature on the hand rub. Nothing sterile looking on the back. This is a full flat grind with, I would say, like 50% belly and straight edge. But look at this. My only nitpick on this guy is the heel of the blade, which goes down. And yeah. So that's it. You get a sharpening choil, which has some chamfering around. The flipper tab, not really a finger choil, but yeah, that's that. So my only gripe probably on this knife is this fella right over here, there, which is not perfect, but still, it's pretty good. I mean, the blade is just gorgeous, like hiding the mark, the maker name on the blade like that on a hand rub without ruining the overall aesthetic is yeah, mission accomplished. The sound, very subdued, very low, not distracting, not loud, nothing special, to be honest. It's, yeah, it's just like regular, nothing spectacular, nothing to write my mom in Italy about. And I'm gonna give you the weight in grams. That's it. I'm done with the imperial stuff. Metric is the key. Metric is the weight. 94.9 grams. Look at this. I'm a nice guy. 3.35 ounces in your pocket for this fella. It's good. I mean, the weight is fine. The hot spots are not there. I don't feel any sharp edges in my hand. It's pretty good. There's no jimping whatsoever. Kind of slippery surface, even if it's sporting a little bit of milling. It's not that grippy, but fit and finish is just spot on. Zero gaps, no misalignments. Everything is put together as it should be. There is no blade play. This thing is just very well put together. There's no rattling, no finger sore. As long as you stick with the light switch deployment method, you're gonna be a happy camper, I'm telling you. You have no detent ball ramp, so you kind of feel a little bit of the step right over there. Zero lock stick, of course, because of the stainless steel lock face insert. The clip works pretty well. You got some bearings running under the hood, and that's why you get this action. So it's not a drop shot action. You disengage the lock bar, put it in the vertical position, nothing's gonna happen. You have to wiggle a little bit to get the blade in the handle. But look at that, you see? It's just because of the lock bar tension, not because of, you see, like, it just goes, right? And just a little wiggle past the detent ball, and this guy gets closed in your hand, and that's pretty nice. Detent is strong and the action is very, very good. And I mean, in a fancy packaging like this, this thing is just gorgeous. It's very minimal, very elegant look for this knife. No frills, nice touch for the Damascus accent to give a splash of color. It is fantastic. That little pop right there to break that grayness of this beautiful one. Yeah, great choice. So there you have it. Really like this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.